Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're looking at one of the smallest yet most capable cameras DJI has ever made, the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo. If you love vlogging, travel clips, cinematic POV shots, or documenting your daily life in super crisp detail, this tiny 4K camera might be exactly what you've been waiting for. The first thing you notice is how unbelievably compact the Osmo Nano is. It's built to be feather-light, pocket-sized, and easy to carry anywhere. Despite its size, it packs a powerful 1.3-inch sensor, giving you vibrant colors, clear details, and better performance in both bright and low-light conditions. Whether you are filming morning street scenes or fast-moving sports moments, the sensor captures everything smoothly. This camera shoots crisp 4K at 60 fps, giving your footage that clean, modern, high frame rate look, perfect for action shots, vlogs, or quick social content. The 143 degrees ultra-wide field of view makes each scene feel immersive and dynamic. From POV biking to travel clips, you get more scenery in every frame without needing extra lenses. One of the best features of the Osmo Nano is its magnetic POV design. It snaps onto your gear instantly, backpacks, straps, mounts, making hands-free filming incredibly easy. For creators who want natural, first-person perspective shots, this feature alone is a huge win. With 200 minutes of continuous recording time, you can shoot longer sessions without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're hiking, exploring a new city, or capturing an event, this extended battery life keeps you going. The standard combo also includes 64 GB of built-in storage, giving you plenty of space for long sessions. Swift content transfer lets you instantly send videos to your phone for editing or sharing. This is especially useful for vloggers who post frequently, as your workflow stays fast and simple. Despite its tiny body, stabilization remains smooth and reliable, keeping your footage steady even during fast movement. The camera is made for sports, travel, and everyday creativity, fitting perfectly into any setup. If you want a lightweight, powerful, and extremely convenient 4K camera for vlogging, travel, POV shots, or action clips, the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo stands out as one of the best options available. Make sure to check it out using the link below, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily tech videos.